Hey guys, I'm Sean, founder of TradeMagnet, and today I want to share with you how to use Google Maps to measure distance. Perfect for solar companies, roofers, landscapers, cleaning companies, anyone where you need to measure the distance of a square area or from one point to another. So what you want to do is open up Google Maps, select the property. We're going to select a government building just because I don't want to show you somebody's house. So this is Leinster House, the Department of Taoiseach. So we're going to measure this courtyard. For anyone not in Ireland, this is our Prime Minister. So go into the corner, right click there, go all the way down to measure distance, and then click the other end of the courtyard to the other corner, and then finally back to where we started. As you can see, the total area and the distance covered there is calculated for you. You can even go as far as doing car spaces. It is that detailed. So right click here, clear the last measured area. We can zoom all the way in. Don't worry if the pixels are a little pixelated. Measure distance. If you've made a mistake, you can grab the point and just amend it like so. It can be even more accurate. But perfect if you don't want to get out to the site, or if you're too busy, you can give a rough estimate to a prospective client. So if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and catch you on the next one.